everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest bugs. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest bugs, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi and we click here to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.